Amazon's small home organization and storage solutions for a clutter-free space. Imagine waking up in a bedroom that's not just cozy, but also perfectly organized. No clutter, no stress, just pure relaxation. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's closer than you think. In today's video, we're revealing the ultimate organization hacks and products that will turn your small bedroom into a tidy, functional haven. Whether you're battling limited space or just tired of the mess, these game-changing solutions will help you reclaim your room and your peace of mind. As always, links are in description. Let's dive in and make it happen. Bed sheet organizers. The UL Lendis bed sheet organizers are perfect for keeping your linens neat and easy to find. These organizers are made from strong material that won't bend or break, so your sheets stay in great shape. They have a clear window so you can see what's inside without opening them. This saves time when you're in a hurry. You also get labels to sort your sheets by size or color, making it simple to grab what you need. Using these organizers helps keep your closet tidy and free from dust. They're great for storing sheets, pillowcases, and towels. If you want a clean and organized space, these organizers are a must-have. They make life easier and keep your bedding fresh and ready to use. Under bed storage containers. The Beauty Joy under bed storage containers are a smart way to use the space under your bed. These bags are big enough to hold blankets, pillows, and clothes, keeping your room clutter-free. They're made from durable material that protects your items from dust and moisture. The clear window lets you see what's inside without opening the bag. When you're not using them, they fold flat for easy storage. These containers are perfect for small spaces, helping you make the most of every inch. They're great for seasonal items like winter blankets or summer clothes. With these storage bags, your room stays tidy and you'll always know where your things are. They're a simple solution for a more organized home. Drawer organizer clothes for closet. The LifeWit drawer organizer is a great way to keep your clothes neat and easy to find. This set includes 16 fabric organizers in different sizes, perfect for socks, underwear, and bras. They fit neatly in your drawers, so everything stays in place. The fabric is strong and durable, protecting your clothes while looking nice. When you're not using them, they fold up for easy storage. These organizers help you make the most of your drawer space, so nothing gets lost or tangled. They're perfect for anyone who wants a tidy closet. With these organizers, getting dressed is faster and easier. They're a simple way to keep your clothes organized and your life less stressful. Rolling Slim laundry basket. The Toby Rolling Slim laundry basket is a handy tool for laundry day. It's tall and slim, so it fits in tight spaces like closets or corners. The wheels make it easy to move around, even when it's full. The basket is made from eco-friendly fabric that's waterproof, so your clothes stay dry and fresh. It also has a mesh cover to keep your laundry secure but breathable. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage. This basket is perfect for small homes or anyone who wants to stay organized. It makes laundry day simpler and keeps your space tidy. With this basket, you'll have a clean and efficient laundry routine. Nightstand with charger station. The Kit Stoke nightstand is a stylish and practical addition to your bedroom. It has 4 fabric drawers for storing books, glasses, and other items. The built-in charger station has outlets and USB ports, so you can charge your devices overnight. The LED light is perfect for reading or creating a cozy atmosphere. The nightstand fits well with any decor and keeps your bedside clutter-free. It's great for small spaces, offering both storage and convenience. With this nightstand, your bedroom will feel more organized and functional. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants to combine style and practicality. This nightstand makes your bedroom a more comfortable and efficient space. Storage Teddy Ottoman Bench. The DM Furniture Storage Teddy Ottoman Bench is both stylish and useful. It's a comfortable bench with hidden storage inside, perfect for blankets, toys, or other items. The cushion top is great for sitting or putting on shoes. The safety hinge keeps the lid open while you access your things. This bench fits well in bedrooms, living rooms, or entryways. It's a versatile piece that adds both storage and seating to your home. The design is modern and works with many decor styles. If you need extra storage without sacrificing style, this ottoman bench is a great choice. It helps keep your space tidy and looks great too. Space-saving hanger hooks. The Houseday space-saving hanger hooks are perfect for organizing your closet. These hooks let you hang multiple items on one hanger, saving space and keeping clothes neat. They're made from strong plastic and fit most hangers. Whether you're organizing a dorm room or a home closet, these hooks are a great solution. They help prevent wrinkles and make it easy to find your clothes. With these hooks, you can maximize your closet space and keep everything tidy. They're simple to use and make a big difference in small spaces. If you want a more organized closet, these hooks are a must-have. They're a practical and affordable way to keep your clothes in order. Clear garment bags. The Perber clear garment bags are great for protecting your clothes. They're made from strong material and have a zipper to keep dust and moisture out. The clear design lets you see what's inside without opening the bag. These bags are perfect for storing coats, dresses, or suits. They're also great for travel, keeping your clothes clothes wrinkle-free and clean. The 4-inch gusset gives extra space for bulkier items. These bags are durable and long-lasting, making them a smart investment. If you want to keep your clothes fresh and organized, these garment bags are a great choice. They're practical, easy to use, and help extend the life of your favorite outfits. Clothes storage bags. The Beauty Joy clothes storage bags are perfect for organizing your home. These bags are large and foldable, making them easy to store when not in use. They're great for holding clothes, blankets, pillows, or toys. The handles make it easy to carry them around, and the durable fabric keeps your items safe. The clear window lets you see what's inside without opening the bag. These bags are ideal for seasonal storage or decluttering your space. They help keep your home tidy and make it easy to find what you need. If you're looking for a simple storage solution, these bags are a great choice. They're practical, stylish, and perfect for any room. Double Rods Garment Rack. The Lania Double Rods Garment Rack is a versatile storage solution for your clothes. It has 2 rods for hanging clothes and wheels for easy movement. The 4 hooks are perfect for accessories like bags or hats. This rack is great for small spaces, helping you keep your clothes organized and easy to access. It's made from sturdy materials, so it can hold heavy items without tipping over. Whether you're using it in your bedroom or laundry room, this rack is a practical choice. It's perfect for anyone who needs extra hanging space. With this garment rack, you can keep your clothes tidy and your space clutter-free. It's a simple and stylish way to stay organized.